Hey guys, my name is Laser.
Shush!
Shush! Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video with my best friend Jack.
Hey guys.
This is part 3 of hatching a legendary sprout. It's over there, right over there. I can't believe it. Like seriously. No, I'm doing this quest right now. So hopefully in part 3 it will actually finally be hatched. Well, I keep saying hatch, but like actually explode and give us stuff. I'm just hoping, because I do not want to have to do another part, a part 4.
But if you have to, you will.
Yes, if I have to, I will. Because every video is about like 26 minutes long. Oops, no. Wait.
What?
I accidentally went out of Roblox.
No, unless you weren't playing another game. Otherwise it wipes you from the server. Hang on.
Yeah, if it got rid of me from the server, they'll be annoyed. It's loading in really weirdly. Look.
Dude, where are you? I can't see.
I'm in the spider area. Going over to the strawberry area.
I can see you.
Hello.
Sweet 300.
Wait, what?
They got beat me to the tokens.
No, he beat you to the token again.
Oh, they got too fast.
He beat you again because it didn't say received this honey. It just said that you had not gotten it because you were too slow.
Didn't say anything.
Yeah, if it doesn't say you anything, then it means that you're too slow to get there and you didn't get there in time.
I want
Boom. Come on, red bees, help me out. Oh, thank you, baby love. And this, and no, I don't want blue stuff. I'll take it anyways, but don't want it.
Only 2020. This is gonna be a lot
No,
of honey.
why do I keep getting blue stuff when I want red stuff? So
At
this
least
is
no one summons a honey storm yet. Actually, has anyone got honey storm? Has anyone in the server?
people have definitely got 4 legendaries.
Yeah.
Dude, I bet you that the legendary sprout actually was summoned. Oops.
Summoned. Oh, yeah.
It was probably
was.
summoned from the sprout summoner over there.
Oh yeah, probably. But you can't. Even if you get 5 or 7 legendaries, you won't be able to do it.
Yes, I will. If I get 7 types of legendaries, then I can.
No, because if you haven't got 15 Bs yet,
Oh yeah.
you've got to walk through the 15 B area.
Yeah.
Which sucks.
Yeah, and then I actually get enough, and you're like, do it, but I can't actually do it, and you're frustrated.
I'm like, if only you could trade these.
But you don't have a legendary anymore. Oh, but no, it wouldn't be about the legendaries. Boom.
Oh,
Yes, I've
it's
completed.
It's only 8,000 in millions.
Okay, I've completed this quest. So I'm going to go over to the black bee. And I might, today,
This video.
yeah, this video I might actually get a golden egg.
Actually, what am I quest anyway?
Oh, boot looting. You're actually on boot looting.
Oh, sweet.
Boot looting will give you basic boots when you're finished. And when you walk through the field, you can actually
Search
just
the sunflower seeds.
get stuff.
Polar bear to brown bear spirit link.
Let's do one more quest.
Down.
If you complete this final quest, red plus blue equals gold.
Oh, that one.
25,000 red and 25,000 blue.
I actually had to sneak my iPad to do that one.
Oh,
Because I wasn't allowed on my device.
that
So I just
sucks.
snuck on my iPad.
Okay, so
Because I was sick. I
shush.
was sick.
Feed all these to this
Please
guy.
don't take it. Please.
Level up
And he took it.
again.
I said, please
All
don't.
15. All 3.
Yep, he's taking all the
Give
treats.
you all that. And give you that. Give you that. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to cut the recording right now because this is going to take a while to empty my backpack. Bye.
It's in 6 million.
Okay, so I've finished with this. I was just eating a biscuit. Nom nom. So how low is it now?
6 million. It's
Right. like,
raining.
I can actually get the belt pocket and the golden helmet and stuff right now.
Dude,
By
I haven't been bothering to
that,
look after my honey.
by
And I got
that.
lots.
Now I look better. Dude, I look better
Thank you,
now,
Crows,
eh?
for being so good that you give me so much honey for no reason.
I look better now, eh?
Yeah.
With this.
Yeah, you look better.
So red plus blue. So I'll go to a
That
red.
pro just fell off the edge.
Okay, so I can just go into this field because this field has red and blue. It's
Oh, yeah.
I'm helping you guys. I think I'm more excited than you are.
I just want that gold. I just want that diamond egg. Get a legendary.
I've already got it. I actually beat you to a legendary and you've been playing for longer.
No, I haven't. You've been videoing for longer.
I know, but you've been playing on that account for longer. I only created this account like a week ago.
Almost at 3,000, and that's a good record of corn. I can see you. I'm standing next to you.
I know.
We both have the same. Oh no, I didn't change my shirt yet.
Wait, what?
Because I was about to say we both have the same shirt.
No. What shirt do you have?
Oh,
Wait,
I haven't
stand
changed-
still. Come over here.
No, I haven't changed my shirt yet.
I know, but I don't even know what your shirt is. Just come over here.
The one of the ones that you originally did have.
Where are you? I said come over here.
I see I don't want you.
No.
Oh shoot, 5,000. 5 million, I mean. You want that, don't you?
Mhm.
Give me that. Yes. I like it when I get honey from other players. Hey.
I'm gonna put face cam on now, dude.
Okay.
Hi. Hi, this is
Hey.
Jack. You have not seen Jack before.
Hey. I have got 20.
So I'm gonna move this.
294 million, honey.
Okay, I'm
not
gonna put the face
thousands.
cam here. Okay, so I am going to be doing this. Come on, it's so close.
Guys, it is 4
I
million.
can't believe it.
This is so rude. No, you beat me to it. Player just pro.
What did he beat you to? Oh, someone's here.
Hi.
Look how close it is, dude.
Cool. I need that honey. Oh, this is honey.
I'm gonna make the face cam small. I cannot believe how close it is.
Yeah, I'm not leaving until that.
Another seedling has sprouted. Oh, the noobs are gonna leave. I mean, the pros, sorry. The pros are leaving to get the other one, which I think I'm gonna do as well. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya.
See, you won't want to be here. Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's in the 15 area.
Oh,
Sucks for you. Sucky. Hey.
yeah.
It's gonna go slow down. Gonna go down. Okay, so you might as well just stay in this field. Hey.
Yeah, I'm coming over to that field now.
And there's a pro still. He probably obviously thinks it's not worthy of him. Hey. Yeah, that's right, pro. It's not worthy of you. This one's more worthy. Of
Yes.
us.
Oh, it grew. It's good. I'm so shocked right now.
3,002. 300.
3 million. Only 3 million left.
Oh,
Oh, I can use the wealth clock in 8 more minutes. You can probably use it now.
oh yeah.
Come over here.
I'm coming.
Oh, there's, what's it called? Fireflies are
No,
coming.
25 seconds.
24. Just wait.
It's just so funny. No, 25 seconds still, actually.
Have you got this one up here, dude?
What?
Have you got this royal jelly up here?
No, how do you get it?
You have to have good jumpness.
What's jumpness?
You have to jump higher, dude. That's what I mean. Can you get it now? The Ralph clock?
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
So he got the Ralph clock.
Just put me up, please.
Dude, I wish you could stand on players' heads, because then I'll jump on your head and then you jump on my head. Okay, let's not really care about the knight for the thingies unless they come over to this field, because the legendary spout, it's just so worth it. I am so shocked.
You just collect honey. Tokens. Just collect honey tokens, Thomas.
Yeah, I'm trying to work on red plus blue equals gold. Oh, baby bees level 5.
If you get it to level 6, that's cool.
I don't have any level 6s.
I've got one. It's my favourite bee.
What one is it?
My fire bee.
Oh.
I've had him ever since I started the game. My first royal jelly, I got him.
Cool.
And that's why he's never too moving.
Like my 5th royal jelly was a legendary.
Hang on, do I have any royal jellies? If I do, I'm going to be amazed. No.
Do I have any, actually? Nope, I don't have any either.
Because if I did, I could actually do something. I could actually... Hang on. Cool. Hang on, is it... What do I do? Oh, I just called it defeat spiders. Should I go defeat a spider?
Mm.
And let the seedling get away?
Yes, because then I'll steal everything.
No.
Okay,
so I take that as a no.
It's gonna be a while, so I'd probably go and get it.
Oh, yeah. It's daytime.
Yeah, it's daytime.
2 million. We might as well go. Hey. Are you gonna go away?
Oh no, I'm doing red plus blue equals gold.
Oh.
That's the one reason I'm here. Other reason is because of the sprout.
Hello. Hello, buddy. Hello.
No.
There was a pro. He just like lightning.
Yeah.
Okay, so both of these players have at least got the Imp Pass in the Moon Amulet.
Yeah. So
How
close.
did I get those Moon Amulets?
I'm gonna get honey token. Yes, honey token.
Honey token, honey token, honey token, honey token. I beat the guy to him. He's probably jealous.
Treat token.
Yeah.
I got a treat token.
No, I did too. I've got something in my chair that I'm supposed to...
Well, someone says, guys, if you're what did he say? If you're tired of clicking, then just hold the button. Or click. No. It doesn't work because we're on. We're not on. Computer.
Oh, he's trying to give us a tip, isn't he?
Yeah, on computer.
We say, sorry, we're not computer, we should say.
Can't. I'm not.
On mobile.
On computer. By the way, I'm making.
If you're on PC, one... Oh, now he's giving us a tip about PC.
Can't, I'm not on computer. By the way, I'm making a video. Oh, it doesn't even come up. I can't tell him that. Oh, what did he say? It'll grind automatically. Oh, that would be amazing, because then I could just do something else, just walk away, and will it take care of it? Dude, it's in the 1 millions. It's nearly in the thousands. It's nearly in the thousands.
I know, so don't leave.
Don't leave? Of course don't leave. Dude, imagine if someone's dumb enough to leave right now when it's so
Make
close.
some honey.
And then they miss the whole diamond sprout. Come on. Wait, what did he say? Well, thanks.
It's telling me to go make honey. Should I?
No, don't. Oh, yes, do actually do. Because it's still going to be a while.
No, I know that trick. You just want to get the...
No, it is going to be a while. Dude, look, it's still on 1 million.
I know. But millions. Oh, really?
Actually, no, just don't leave.
I knew that
Just
trick.
don't leave.
I was like, oh, really? It's on 1 million?
No, I'm not. I wasn't even trying to trick you. I'm just...
I know, I'm like... as you were saying it's still on 1 million, I seen it ticked under.
Come on, it's so close.
Oh,
Oh
get
my
yourself ready.
goodness.
Get some haste.
Oh, haste. I don't have a hasty bee.
Oh, Saki.
I can still get stuff, though. Come on! I think the new pros have left. There's
No.
only like one pro here. And he's got a full backpack.
Me too. Is
Oh,
it-
so I'm working on this by myself.
No, my bees are helping.
But your bees can't collect it because your backpack's full.
Oh, so you're saying go away.
Yeah, just leave. Oh no, Blue Phoenix is back. Blue Phoenix is back.
I'm not leaving.
Come on, Blue Phoenix, help us.
You have an empty backpack. I have a full backpack.
I don't have an empty backpack.
Do you, or...
My
Oh,
backpack's already
wait.
full.
He said you guys better empty. Oh, wait. No, I don't trust him. No thanks, I say. Should I say that? Nah. No thanks.
Nah.
You can just do it. Did you say nah?
Yeah, I said nah. Did you say nah?
I'm gonna text it. I actually want to say it.
He said no prob.
Nah.
Come on, it's so
Meh.
close.
He said no problem. No prob. So no problem.
No probs.
Hey, he's okay.
Dude, the final countdown. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
The final
Countdown. Da-na-na-na.
G'day, Thomas.
Hi.
What you doing?
Hey.
Okay, I'm back. I just need to do something.
Wait, did you empty your backpack?
No, I'm not. I haven't. I just had to pause the video for that. Come on. It's the final countdown.
And much more.
Wait, what did he actually say? You can get treats and blueberries and much more. AKA diamond eggs.
He doesn't know that. No, don't tell him. Don't tell him you can get a diamond egg.
Someone said, hi, Phoenix.
Who wouldn't? It's a phoenix. Actually, who would?
Dude.
What?
It's the final countdown.
I should do
It's
this.
actually gonna pop, explode. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Boom! I'm just running all over the place like a madman. I'm getting this. This is crazy. No, it's lagging. I got a ticket.
I got raw jellies.
Yeah, I've got loads of royal jellies. I had 0, and I'll just check how much I have soon. Obviously not now. I'm still trying to get stuff.
I'm at 8. Yeah.
Okay,
No,
so
0. 3, Homer.
I had 0, and now I'm at 5.
I had 0.
Wait.
Oh no.
Lol fell down. Yeah, GG. Okay, so I have to empty my backpack,
Yeah.
and I think I'm gonna have to end the video soon.
Tell them the sprouting didn't give a diamond egg.
Yeah. Another seed on the sprouted, but it's not worth it.
Our backpacks are full anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, bees, you did good.
So this is going to be the last video of Jack today. I'm still going to make more videos. It's just that Jack has to leave in like 8 minutes.
Use another.
Wait, no, that's not my hive.
Use another.
What are you doing? Exhausted bee. You don't even have exhausted bee. On my other account, I have loads.
I'll leave myself 2 raw jellies. Level up to 3. No, can't do it. What do you mean? What does it mean? Level up to 3.
No, it means level up costs 3 of them. To level up, it costs 3 of those.
Level up costs 11. 3.
I can't believe that happened. That was so amazing.
Plus 14. Actually, whoa.
I can buy a new backpack, dude. I mean, not a new backpack, new egg.
Devil. Holy. Okay, so. How many? I've got 4. 4 to level 6.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a newbie because I've got 5 raw jellies plus a basic egg.
I'm gonna buy myself a
You will scream at me if I hatch this basic egg and it's actually like a ninja. No, it's just a normal basic. But wait.
Beat some more.
Cool bee got that. Brave bee got that. Red bee got that. Rascal bee got that. Shock bee! Epic. The last one I used was a shock bee.
I'm gonna buy myself a new.
Oh, now I
I'm gonna buy
have.
myself 2.
Now I'm just gonna. Oh, I've also
1.
finished Sunbear's quest. I've finished Sunbear's quest, dude.
I'll leave myself a really low amount of money.
Oh, combos like this.
I'm gonna use.
Yay!
One
Oh, I got another royal jelly. I'm on Token Trek. Has it been an hour? Yes, it has been, dude. We can get
Demon!
demon. Dude, he actually got a demon.
Legendary.
You sound like a girl.
Dude, that's what happens when I get legends.
I've got haste 10.
I've discovered 17 types now.
I've got haste 10, dude.
Cool. I just got a legendary, but it isn't one that doesn't attack. Yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot.
You too. Yeah, but you should have taken a screenshot when it said new type discovered demon bee. That's what I do.
Alright, I'm gonna do this. Demons bee, I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna go.
Screenshot. So guys, here's got a demon bee, and that's how we're gonna end the video. I'm just going to.
Legends.
No, I'm just going to go up to this. What's it called? To the yellow cannon, because I can actually use the yellow cannon, dude.
Cool.
And I have 12 bees. I have 12 bees out of 15.
Even when
Or out of what I
have
want,
an
15.
announcement. I have a legendary, and it's not a dumb baby bee.
And no one cares because it's just dumb. I've already got one on my other account.
Demon bee leveled up, yes.
Demon bees level 2.
Yeah.
I'm at your hive right now. So this is how many bees he has. All those ones.
exactly, I think 17.
All those stupid ones. And then I've got all these ones.
Yeah, I got the good ones.
Dude, you can just check how many you have. Yeah, you have 17 and discovered 17. And I have 12 and discovered 12.
Actually, I
Get
have.
away, shock bee.
You discovered you have 17. So
I'm pretty sure that you like these. I'm just going to check. No, you actually don't. Okay.
So even I just got something that I absolutely.
Yes, I've got luck
really
on.
don't.
Okay.
Oh,
I've got luck on. Try that. Try
Demon
it.
bee, I want to see what you do.
Oh, dude, I had luck on, so I was just going to see if I was really lucky and actually gotten
What he just
it
he
gifted.
ate a whole paddock. Go.
Yeah.
He ate
Okay.
a whole paddock. I need 2.
So anyways, guys, I'm going to have to leave it off here. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. And I always have to do this,
His favourite thing is to do that.
slash
guys.
a dance.
Use honey.
And I think if you just do slash T, maybe, I think it is, slash T. You cannot team chat if you are not on a team. Oh, so it's a team chat, okay. So anyways, guys, goodbye. Okay, shut up about this.